Well, that's not good. It's just the top of the engine. Guess what I'm doing on my day off? Changing water pumps.